He or she will love you like no other before after doing this. Finally, I'm releasing this video because you guys are choking me. In fact, I can't even eat in peace. I can't even drop cup after drinking water. I really want you to do this powerful spiritual work because I'm definitely right now giving you the particular spiritual exercise to make him love you like no other before, to make her love you like no other before. If you're somebody that's always complaining that he left with the kids, she left with the kids, she left and she just left you just like that, she just broke up with you like that, or he just broke up with you like that, do this one. After it, the way it will work for you will shock you to your bone marrow, and you will come back here and testify on this channel because I've never done this one before. Right? And please, let me warn you, before you do this, make sure that you do this for the right reason. Do it for the right purpose. Don't do it just to get a revenge on somebody, or just to use it to collect money from your man, or to use it to collect money from your woman. Do it because you love them. Because I'm telling you right now, I've never used water to swear at anyone before. Anybody that will use this for the wrong purpose, I pray that this water will fight such a person. And that's a karma. You don't want to do this for the wrong reason. Do it because you love this person. If you do it for the right reason, you will see that it will work for you like fire. So quickly, without taking much of your time, my name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. Now, I want you to grab me a cup. If you don't have a bottle like this, make sure you grab a glass cup or a glass jar. Any of them is fine. All right. We're not using water. All right. I only use that water against those who may want to use this for the wrong purpose. And you know water, nobody fights water, right? Because water doesn't have enemy. Water is actually very powerful, but we are not using water. What you will use after getting a bottle is you have to get your early morning urine. Your early morning urine. For many of you that don't know now, I'm telling you, your urine, which is the early morning one, it's actually very, very powerful. It works for attraction, to make people love you, to make people favor you. Okay, once they see you, they will just fall in love with you right away. But we're not using it just for general thing like that. We're just using it because of that thing that you need. Your lover. You want your husband, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your wife to love you like never before. That's what we're using it for. So quickly, get some urine in this bottle. The early morning urine, the one you get as soon as you wake up from the bed, as soon as you wake up from sleep, anytime from 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. in the morning. That kind of urine, just keep it in the bottle. Now, you are going to make sure that you charge that early morning urine. You will charge it. I've told you, I've already explained to you how to charge any spiritual items you want to use at all. Right? And charge it. You can put it on your window just for 30 minutes. Right? Let's say you wake up at 3 a.m. and you get your early morning urine. Just keep it on your window just for 30 minutes. If you like, you can keep it outside your house just for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, bring it inside. Now it's now ready to be used. Now, when you want to use this, you want to make sure that you stay in your room. You can definitely do it anywhere, whether it is in your bedroom, okay, whether it is in your office place, whether it's in your business place, it doesn't really matter. Okay, now get that, and you're going to grab me a plain white paper where you will write your name. Okay, you will write the name of your partner. Let me explain this quietly because I don't want you to make any mistake while you are making this. You will write the name of your partner on a plain white paper, their first name and their last name first. Then on the same line, you're not going to write it under their name. You will write it beside your partner's name. Let's say you are a man, right? You will write the name of your wife or your boyfriend or your girlfriend. You will write their name first, then your own name second, beside their own name, not under their name. If you are a woman, you will write the name of your husband or the name of your boyfriend. Write it first, their first name and the last name, then write your own name next to their name. You get what I'm saying now? So after that, you will just simply infuse your own energy. Put that paper on your hand and infuse your energy on it. Ask God Almighty to bond both of you together in love, in harmony, in peace. Okay? To make sure that they come back to you so much, to make sure that they love you like no other before. Please don't joke with this. No, after that, you just simply fold the paper. Just fold it towards you like that. Right? Now, you're going to grab the urine that you have. Remember, this urine is no longer ordinary urine. It's very powerful. It's very energetic. It's now very spiritual. So you will just simply put that paper, you put it inside the urine, and you will close it up. You will close it up, okay? So now, after closing it, you will say your prayer. Remember, everything you do has to do with faith, has to do with prayers. Prayers to God Almighty, to the universe, to make this work like fire for you. Okay? Now, when you are making your prayers, please listen and listen good to this. Because I don't want you to now say, oh, Precious, I didn't get that part where you said this and that. Listen to what you're going to say to this. You will just simply say this prayer. Now, if your partner, if you have a child for them, you have children for your husband, you guys have children together, you have kids together, you will just say, as I put your name in, as I put our name in my early morning urine, may God Almighty change your mind for good. May you remember your kids so that you can come back and take care of them. This will work powerfully because you have kids for them. That's okay, even if you don't have kids. But because you have kids for this person, all right, it will work like fire, fast. And the second way is if you do it for the right purpose. You are not doing it for greed. You are not doing it just to get money from them. You get what I'm saying? You are doing it because you still love them. Now, this doesn't do about whether you want them back to you. If they are married, you have to let them go. That's what I'm saying. Please never do it for a wrong reason. Don't do it for a married man. Don't do it for a married woman. Once they have legally divorced you, just let them be. Let them go. But the good thing is, if you have kids together, if you do this, just say your prayers that you will remember your children. You remember the children that we have together, and you will come back and take care of them. That's enough, so that it's not only you that is taking all the care on them, because that could be too much for you, right? So, but if they are still very much single, you know that they are still single, they have never moved on, then this is going to be very powerful. It's going to work. Just say it. You will come back to me with so much love and care. You will love me more than ever before after doing this, in the mighty name of God. And if you don't have any child for this person, you don't have any kids together, before you guys separated or divorced, just say, you will remember, call their name 7 times, the name of your partner, say, call their name 7 times and say, you will remember all the good old days that we had together, all the beautiful memories that we shared, all the promises that we shared, that we made together. You will remember them and you will come back to me with so much love and care if they have not moved on. If they have moved on, let them be. You get what I'm saying? Let them be. So we're only doing this for people that is still very much single, even though you have divorced, or even though you have divorced, if they've divorced you, but they're still very much single, that's fine. Or maybe you guys just separated temporarily and you want them to love you, even if you are still in the relationship, but things are not working good. You're always fighting, you're always having disagreements, you're always living like cat and mouse. Do that. It will work like fire for you. In fact, this thing you're looking at, please never joke with it. So now you will just simply take this item, this bottle, you will keep it for 7 days. 7 days. Keep it in a very safe place where nobody will see it, where nobody will touch it for 7 days. You can keep it in your under your bed, on your window. You can keep it in your wardrobe, safe place, right? For 7 days. After the 7 days, you are not going to open this. You are not going to dump the content. You're just going to take this and just dump it out. I mean, you just throw it out. You can throw it in the flowing water. You can bury it if you like. You can put it in a refuse dump. That's fine. Even after the 7 days, if anybody open it and just dump it, that's good. Nothing bad is going to happen to you. It will even work more faster for you. So, but just make sure that you don't open this content. All you have to do is just shake this every single day. Okay? Remember I said you keep it for 7 days. You remember to shake it each time and say your prayers. Whatever you want to happen. And it must happen for you. So what will happen will shock you. They will start to love you. They will love you more than ever before. They will change completely, positively towards you. Okay, they will come back to you. They will come and take care of your children. They will come and take care of you, and they will love you forever. And after doing it, because your names have mixed together, okay, very spiritually, then nobody born of a woman will be able to separate you again. They will never leave you again. They will never, okay, love you less again. They will have eyes only for you after doing that. That's why I'm saying this kind of spiritual work is simple but powerful. It's very difficult to undo. That's why I'm saying do it for the right purpose so that it can work faster for you, so that no side effect can come to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video makes sense to you, press the like button right now and make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Share it on your WhatsApp. Watch this video next. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications if you love what we do on this channel. I'll see you in my next one. I love you all. I know you love me too. Bye bye.